Hey everyone, today we are making the perfect at-home caramel cappuccino. We are going to be using the new Keurig K-Cafe brewer. Guys, this is so good. I think it is better than Starbucks. I hate to say that, but guys, it's true. This is worth raving about. So here is the beautiful Keurig. It looks beautiful on any countertop. Over here we have the frother that heats up our milk, and you can also do cold beverages as well. On top here we have all of our buttons that basically just do the job for us. And we're gonna just go ahead and take one more look at this bad boy. So to start heating up our water, we're gonna press the power button, and that's gonna go ahead and start heating up the water. It takes about 3 minutes to heat up the water, so while we're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about our ingredients for today. So I'm going to be using the Caramel Keurig brand espresso pods. I love this brand. You don't have to use this brand, of course, but you can just go ahead and use any caramel espresso pod. I just really do enjoy the Keurig brand. And then we are also going to be using some milk today. You can use any type of milk. I'm using 2%. You can use almond. Really, it's completely your preference, but I am using 2%. And then for our creamer, which is really important, I'm using the Natural Bliss Salted Caramel Creamer. This has almond milk in it, and I think it's just really, really delicious, but you can use any caramel creamer, of course. And then lastly, I always recommend a nice, clear glass cup so you can just see how beautiful the cappuccino is going to lay out. This one is from Target for $3. So our water is all heated up, and you'll know that because the rumbling will stop. So when that time is up, we're gonna go ahead and lift the lid, and we're going to insert in our caramel coffee pod. So go ahead and secure it by locking it down, and then it's gonna start blinking. We are going to select the latte and cafe mode, and then simply just press the K, and it's gonna do all the work for us. So it's gonna go ahead and pour out the coffee. During that time, we're gonna start frothing up our milk. So I think this part is really, really fun. As you can see, there's a latte and cap mode. We're just going to fill it to the cap line, and I'm gonna fill it just below the cap line because I'm going to add in my creamer. I think that's my secret. I don't know if anyone else does this, but I do it, and I think this is what makes it so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up to the rest of the cap line with my creamer, and sometimes I do it a little above it just to give it that extra kick. It's so delicious, guys. We're gonna lock it in, and I'm gonna click the cap mode. So it's gonna start swirling and heating it up. Make sure you don't touch the silver part of it. It's really, really hot. So I'm gonna take this lid off, and you're gonna see how beautiful this is gonna lay out. Here we go. And you can kind of see the separation of the milk and the coffee beginning to happen. I love this. It's so visually pleasing. Once you get to the end of the milk, it's gonna be kind of frothy, as you can see, and I just like to lay that evenly on top. It looks so beautiful just as is, and I just think that looks so pretty, and it tastes so good. To spice it up though, I like to add a little bit of cinnamon. So I'm gonna sprinkle on the cinnamon, and not only do I like the look of the cinnamon, but I love the smell of it. It just makes everything all come together. I just love the look of that. It tastes so delicious. Me and my husband are enjoying it so much. Everyone's so impressed by it. I completely love this Keurig, and I hope you guys love it too. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!